Welcome to my channel. Watch the video how I get this look. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna start with primer. This primer is by L'Oreal. We're gonna put some on my forehead and my cheeks and under my chin. Now I'm gonna blend that in. This primer is supposed to help your face glow after foundations. If you want to get this primer, you can find it at CVS stores and Walgreens stores or any local drugstore should have it. Okay, after foundation, we're gonna go to the next step, which is gonna be foundation. It's gonna be a Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I'm gonna pump it to the back of my hand to warm it up. Use a beauty blender and then blend it to my skin. Just blending to my skin. I did my eyebrows off camera. We're gonna go with eyeshadow, Lorac Pro Omega 3 palette. We're gonna use that brown shade right there. The brown shade is called Walnut. I'm gonna apply it to the eyelid lightly. Just lightly on your eyelid for a transitional color. Now we're gonna go over to the other side, just doing the same, using the same transitional color we're gonna use, Walnut, and just blending it in. Here we go, we're gonna use this copper shimmery shade for the eyelid. I'm gonna apply it with my finger. I feel like you can get better color payoff using your finger. And I wanna blend it. We're gonna go to the next side using the same copper shimmery color, cider, on the other side of the eyelid. Just using my finger, lightly patting it down. Next, we're gonna use the eyeliner by Urban Decay. It's a 24/7 water resistant eyeliner. Just gonna line my under eyelashes, and then the other side. Gonna eyeline the top also, so you can get a really nice cat eye look. We're going to use a Double Dual by Tart. It's one of the best eyeliner that I ever used, so I do recommend it if you guys have not tried it. I do recommend trying it if you guys like the pencil type of kind of eyeliner I do. I'm just gonna draw the wing starting from the far right corner. And then after that, we can just draw a line to connect it. I like these kind of eyeliner because it's easier for me to do strokes. I'm not a big fan of the liquid one because it's hard for me to get the right stroke on the liquid one. It always seems to, get it messed up on my eyelid because I don't have any eyelid. But it's okay. If anything, any kind of eyeliner works for you, continue using it. For lashes, I'm going to be using Tart. These are called Center of Attentions. These are actually really nice lashes. Do recommend you guys try it out. Next, I'm going to powder up my face using an airspun powder. You can find it at Walgreens. I think it's about 10 bucks. I'm going to use a big brush just to dust off the powder. I'm going to go with bronzer by Too Faced. I'm going to bronze up my face. And don't forget forehead. Make sure you bronze up your forehead. We're going to go with blush by Wet n Wild, a nice pink one. Pear highlighter has 6 shades. I'm going to go into that shade on the left corner. If you're looking for a more affordable highlighter, you can get the Pure highlighter. It got 6 shades, pink, gold, and natural. I mean, the color pay off pretty well, and it looks, make sure it looks pretty natural when using it. I like it so far. I'm going to go with lipstick by Revlon. This is a nice pink metallic color. Just going to apply it on my lip. It's not a really, good payoff color, but it's doable for a quick look. Revlon also have other different shades, but I only got 2 shades, like this pink one and the other purple one. Now we're just gonna fix my hair and, do my hair, so take some selfie pictures. Thank you for watching my vanity tour. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate your support. I will have more upcoming videos for you, so keep your eyes out for more videos. Thank you for watching again.